Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm showing you guys new coupons to print that just popped up this morning. So there was awesome coupons that popped up yesterday and now there's new coupons to pop up today. So we're just going to go through it. Now I do print my coupons from swagbucks.com because I get a point for every coupon that I print. And then you get up to 25 points when you guys redeem those coupons. So, but it could take up to 12 weeks. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. But this is what I do to save up for gift cards to get a free Christmas, you guys. So here we got $1 off Johnson's, $1 off Glade. The Snicker coupon came back for 50 cents off of 2. Desitin Community Coffee. Ziploc, here we got $1 off a Ziploc, which I'm not going to print off because I printed off a bunch of those and they're still pretty valid. We got Dr. Scholl's Skinny Pop Popcorn. Glade, here we have $1 off of 1. $2 off a 20 count of Aleve can actually be a pretty decent coupon. $3 off of Razors, that's an awesome coupon. $2.50 off of Neutrogena. Here's a Dr. Scholl's. $1 off of 8 soups. Here is $1 off of the chunky soup for 4 of them. More Dr. Scholl's. $4 off any Neutrogena. $1 off a Kiwi. Here we got $1.50 off a car plug-in. $1 off a car or candles. Up to $10. That's not a coupon. Load. And these all look like they are repeats from yesterday. But yeah, yesterday was probably one of the best days to print off coupons. Yes, so that may be it. If it'll load. I'm just going to show you guys what I printed off yesterday in case you guys didn't catch that video. And some of these have just been on here for months, so I don't even bother doing them unless I absolutely need it. Takes forever to get to the bottom. That's one thing I don't like. So you gotta load it, load it, load it. Okay, so the Scots are still available. CoverGirl. There was a Cottonelle one that I missed yesterday. But the Schick razors, more Schick razors. These are all still available. So definitely print those coupons off if you guys haven't already. Just wanted to give you guys, you know, a lowdown. So if you guys enjoyed these videos, give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.